My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Honda Civic. This vehicle has only done just over 1,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control, automatic wipers, and our keyless ignition. On our home screen, we can access navigation and audio, smartphone integration and information, Bluetooth, settings, and web browser. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather black interior. Get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.